Hi, I'm Jasmine with WATI, and if you're planning a safari themed baby shower and you are looking for the perfect tableware set, look no further. This little set of plates is so adorable. It comes with 2 different size plates, forks, knives, spoons, napkins, cups. You have everything you need for the perfect party. They have a tropical safari feel, and the little gold animals are so adorable. They go so well with the beautiful green colors, and best of all, this set is really nice, high quality. They're not flimsy at all. They hold up really well. We served lasagna and we had no problems with using these plates. The napkins are also very luxurious, thick paper, and also, the forks, knives, and spoons were really easy to eat with because they were so sturdy. The cups also lasted all night long. They were not flimsy at all. So if you're in the market for a tableware set for an adorable safari-themed baby shower, definitely check these out. They are really great quality, sturdy, and most importantly, super cute. You and your guests will love the set, and that's my point of view.